Hello, this is Michael Bruce, CEO of Tiny Frog Technologies. I want to talk a little bit about dynamic functionality built into a website. Essentially, any kind of animation, any kind of movement that's built into a website. We actually do that oftentimes nowadays because it can be done if it's used effectively. It can actually make the website more engaging. So some of the considerations there are first of all making sure that you're not doing too much of it. If you have too much movement or too many animations on a website, it can actually be a huge distraction, and it can actually take away from the user experience. So anytime we're doing that, we like to use it sparingly. We use it very specifically. If you're using too much of it, it can be what we refer to as visual bullying, and it can be too much of a distraction. But if you're using like hoverovers and scroll animations and micro animations, it can make your website more interesting, more engaging, more compelling. It can add a wow factor to your website as well. And it can actually also draw attention to certain areas of the website that you're hoping to draw attention to, whether it be calls to action, transitions from one section of the website to the other, and it can make your website more interesting. And if it's done well, not, again, overdone, you won't have any issues with the performance or load times on websites. And nowadays, the functionality is almost like kind of pre-built, so it's very easy to add that type of interaction into your website without having to do a lot of custom coding. So typically when we're building a website, we try to integrate some type of dynamic component into the website, more specifically on the home page, because that's the most important page in the website, to make the website more engaging. So if you have any questions, or if you'd like to discuss web design in general or adding dynamic interactions and animations into websites, feel free to contact us to discuss. Thank you.